Let me go find an apartment before I become homeless. All right, let's go. So hey guys, welcome again to my channel. How are you guys doing? If you've just seen my face for the very first time, hi, this is Style by EJ, and on today's video we're going apartment hunting. Okay, I need an apartment ASAP because I'm getting fed up of where I stay, so I need to move. Okay, some of the things I'm looking for in the apartment that I want to move in, quite similar to what I currently live in, is private parking, washer and dryer, valet trash, and all those basic amenities. That's what I'm looking for. So we're all going to go together and find me an apartment. Okay, leave in the comment section if you like this type of videos and what kind of apartment do you think I should get. And the one I'm going to choose today or look at today, if you like it, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, of course turn your post notification bell on so you're instantly notified each time that I upload this video. Okay, now
even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
so guys, this is the leasing office, the waiting area. So this place right now is not as beautiful as it will be eventually, because the ugliest of apartments ever in America, they pay attention to their leasing office. So this, I would say, is still under construction. I'm not worried about this at all. So I basically just had to wait till someone came and showed me the rest of the apartments. Those double doors is going to be a new section, the B block. This is really big. Yeah, it's all going to connect to each other. And this B1 floor plan, it has 1,072 square feet. You have all Whirlpool appliances. Everything's brand new. The color scheme is the same from unit to unit. So all of the what's it called now? Cabinets are same color. Yes. Same color cabinets, same color backsplash, quartz countertops, same color flooring. You have washer and dryer included. This is really big. What size is this unit right now?
1,072 square feet.
Okay.
So you do have your second bedroom.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Wow. Okay. Oh, I love this. This is so fancy.
So that's pretty standard. That's across the board.
This is very, very fancy. I like this.
Yeah, super cool. This is your patio.
Oh, it's quite big as well. Okay, cool.
And then you have the second bedroom, the master.
But the kitchen is a little bit small, if you ask me.
Okay.
Oh, this is the master.
This is the master.
Okay, has a fan, okay.
Ceiling fans in every space.
Okay.
You do have a private bathroom, stand-in shower, walk-in
Oh,
closet.
I like this. I like this. So this is a master bedroom. This one has a shower and a tub. So remember, they're just showing me this sample unit, and the main one that'll be available in December comes with a hot tub and a shower as well. And they all have this LED mirror as well. I think this is pretty new because this is the first time I'm seeing in the apartment. There's a walk-in closet right in the bathroom, which I really like. So you're gonna do all your business right in the bathroom before you go into your main room. So there are two rooms. Both rooms come with a tub and a shower, which I feel is really, really cool. Remember, it's a 1072 square feet.
So this one just shows your water heater and furnace.
Okay.
And normally this stays locked.
Okay.
You already have your modem installed. It's just waiting on you to
What's
get
that?
in.
What's
That's
that?
your internet modem.
What network is that?
Ma'am?
What network?
It is a company called Single Digits.
Okay. Okay, this is fancy.
This is our fitness center. And I apologize, our pool is raining today.
No problem.
It's not open yet. We do have 2 stories of fitness.
Really?
Everything you need here.
This is really nice.
And it's still a work in progress, so we do still have a ways to go. So we go to 4 floors and it's accessible on every floor.
Okay.
We will have a hot tub.
So we're going in the locker area right now for your meals and your packages and all. It's really quite big for a 200 unit apartment. I really like it. Standard to every luxury apartment. All right, so guys, I just looked at it right now. I looked at the 2-bedroom. It wasn't bad at all. Okay, it wasn't bad. Now it's still pretty much under construction. They're going to be having over 200 units. This place is really large. I love how spacious and how airy it is. Again, like I said, I looked at the 2-bedroom. They are really okay. Let me read it out to you. Okay, so I looked at the 1775 square feet, which will be available December 31st actually. It comes with 2 showers, which is a bathtub and a shower, a tub and a shower for both rooms. It also has a washer and a dryer, and it has internet as well, so which is nice. So that's you're taking the internet stress off of you already. But I'm pretty sure once you are ready to move in and all that, they'll start giving you some conditions and all that. It's internet, remember, it doesn't come with cable. I saw the gym, which I'll insert the clip. The gym is standard. Trust me, if you have this gym, you do not need to register for any other gym. It's standard. Like, it's a 2-floor gym, like really, really cool. They have a pool which is still under construction. I couldn't really show that. It's under construction. Then they have the parking garage, is like the drive-in parking garage, which is really nice because you get to drive into your own on your floor. So say you're living on the 3rd floor, so you drive into the 3rd floor and just walk into your apartment. They also have an elevator, so that is also cool. Everything is still pretty much under construction. Like, the waiting area is not as pretty as, you know, some other apartments. Again, that's because they are still under construction. I'm sure once they finish everything up, which they say by March they will be done, it will be nice. Again, it's a little bit pricey, 1,700. I think that's standard. The 3-bed is going for 2,200 plus and some change, which is pretty standard. Okay, so this is what this entails. I really, really do like this. I really do like it. If you're going to be staying in a luxury apartment, be ready for little add-ons. The trash and pest control is about $39. Okay, put that into consideration. Is a lot of money. So you're going to ask yourself, you're going to be paying about 1,700 for 2-bed as against getting a mortgage. But getting a mortgage is another different story entirely. So again, people have their preference and the reasons why they take apartments as against getting a mortgage. Because if you can afford 1,700 for an apartment, you can definitely afford a mortgage. But again, there are other, you know, add-ons with mortgage, so let's not talk about that today. Okay, so I did really like it. I'll see if I can drive around so you can see what the environment really looks like. How many floors is it? 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. Yeah, it's actually a 4-floor building, really big. So with this particular one, my gym is right behind LA Fitness. My church is behind as well, so I can literally walk to gym, walk to church. That, for me, that's a plus. Okay, so yeah, I want to go home now. I have a brunch outing with my friends today down in Dallas. I need to just go home and change it, because right now I've been out since morning when I went to the gym. So let me see if I can drive around so I can actually show you everything. So if you can see from here, that's my gym. Like I said, it's just right behind LA Fitness. So that's my gym. And if I could show you again, my church is right next to LA Fitness. So that's how close it is, okay?
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. just a bit of sugar.